Okay, children. So now I have few tricky questions for you. Let's see how fast we'll solve it. Okay? Are you ready? Shall we go for it? Here comes your question. Now, I am going to draw a triangle, a kite. Do you all love kite? Yes. It is a colorful thing which we fly in the sky, right? So now my question says, how many triangles are there? How many triangles are given here? And my options are A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 6. So, shall we count the number of triangles? Okay. So, this is the first triangle 1 which I am shading here 1. Yes. Triangle number 2 which I am putting it in dots. Okay. Triangle 3 which I am just drawing with a curve. Okay. Triangle 4 is the combination of these two. And triangle 5 which is a combination of these two. Shall we count once again? It's here 1, 2, 3, the combination of these two 4 and the combination of these two 5. So, how many triangles are there, children? There are 5 triangles given in the picture. Okay? Shall we do one more tricky sum? Can I give you? Are you ready? Here we go. So, now I am going to draw a cartoon for you. Okay? And this cartoon is a combination of different shapes which we learned just now. Okay? Yes. Here are the eyes of the cartoon. Then you have a big nose and it smiles at you. Yes? Isn't it funny? Okay. So, my first question says, how many triangles are there? And my options are A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 6. Can we count the number of triangles? Where can you see the triangle in this picture? Correct. You have 2 towards the eyes and 2 towards the ears. So, how many triangles in all? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, which is my right option? It is option B, which is 4. Wow, it's so interesting. Shall I ask you the second set of questions using this diagram? Okay. So, my next question is, how many rectangles can you see here? How many rectangles are there? And my options are A 1, B 2, C 3 and D 5. So, where can you see a rectangle? What is the shape of the face? It is a square. What is the shape of the nose? It is a rectangle. Can you see any other square or rectangle? No. So, how many rectangles do we have? We have only one rectangle which is towards the nose. So, my option A is the right answer. Okay. Now, the third question here is, how many curved lines are there? And my options are A 1, B 2, C 3 and D 4. So can we count the number of curved lines? Where can you see the curved lines? One towards the head and one towards the lips. So how many are there? 1 and 2. My right answer is B 2. The last set of questions from this diagram is, how many straight lines are there? My options are A 15, B 20, C 21 and D 25. Can we count the number of straight lines here? Starting from the top, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the square, we have how many straight lines? We have 4 straight lines. Coming to the next one. The next shape given is a triangle. So in triangle, how many straight lines are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many straight lines in a triangle? 12. Because there are 4 triangles given, right? Now, what is the next shape here? Next shape is the rectangle. So how many straight lines in a rectangle can we count? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4. Yes? So what shape is pending now? You can just see a straight line over the face, right? This is the curved line. So you have a straight line over here. So how many straight lines can we count? Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Or if you are finding it too confusing, you can just add this one, which comes to 20 and plus 1, which is the straight line of the face, equals to 21 straight lines. Are you clear, children? So what will be the right option? It will be option C, which is 21. So are you clear? Okay, yes. So now here I have the next set of interesting questions coming for you. Are you ready? Okay, here goes my question. Now, what is this, children? What shape is this? It is a curved line. You guessed it correct. It's a curved line. Okay. So, my question is, how many curved lines are there? And the options are A 5, B 6, C 7 and D 8. So can we count the number of curved lines? The down one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will not be counting the straight line because this is not the part of the curved line. Okay. So my right answer will be option B, which is 6. I'll count again. It's this one 1, the top one 2, then the down one 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So these two will count together. These two you will count together, and here the bottom and the top one alone. So there are 6 curved lines in this picture. Are you clear? Shall we move ahead? Okay, fine. So here I have one more tricky question. You need to find the odd one out here. Okay, and the first picture is P. The second picture is Q. The third picture is R, and the fourth picture is S. So now you need to find the odd one out from the given slot. Is it option A, B, C or D? Now your tricky question is, if you tell me the answer, you also need to tell me what is the reason, why have you chosen that particular option as the odd one out. So you need to give the reason as well. So if I choose option A, will it be the right answer? Yes. Why so? Why do you think option A is the right answer? The reason is because it is a circle. There is no straight line in this given picture. Whereas for option B, C and D, all the figures are formed using the straight line. Whereas in option A, we have used the curved line. We have not used the straight line. So my option A will be the odd one out. Am I clear, children? Shall we go ahead for the next question? Here comes my next question. Okay, and your question is, how many straight lines are there? Remember children, straight lines includes all the three, which is the vertical line, horizontal line and the slanting line. So don't get confused when I say a straight line. Okay, even if it is a slanting line or a sleeping line, all forms a part of the straight line. We only have to see if there is any curved line included. Okay, so my options are A 10, B 11, C 12 and D 30. Okay, so shall we count the number of straight lines? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So how many options are there? There are 14. Shall we count again? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay? Are you sure? Shall we count again? Okay. We'll just mark it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So it's 15. It's not 14. So shall I give you an option? None of these. Because these options are not correct. Right? So that's why I said that I am going to shoot up a tricky question. So every time it's not necessary that whatever options are given needs to be the correct one. Okay? So how many lines are there? How many straight lines are there? There are 15 straight lines. But do we have it in the option? No. So my right answer will be none of these. Got it? Are you clear, children? Okay.